Oh, I see it. You see it? Oh, that thing is crazy. Dude, that is so bad. All right, you guys ready? I'm about to show y'all. 1, 2, 3. Got in the truck, just dropped the guy off. Little leftover monies. What up everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the video. And as you can see, got the Hellcat in the background looking all pretty with the new demon hood and whatnot. Today is not a video on the Hellcat. Today is finally a day I've been waiting on forever. My friend's about to pull up and we're going to pick up my truck. So if you guys don't know, I've had this truck for about 8 months now. Me and my boy Matthews went all the way to Las Vegas to go get it. Picked it up, drove it all the way back here. I had a lift kit, wheels and tires for it for about 6 months now. And about 3 weeks ago, I dropped it off at my boy Diego's to get lifted. And this thing, when I tell you, is sick. Like, it's so sick, it's insane. Like, literally, I'm like a kid on Christmas waiting to get this thing. I'm literally so excited. I could barely sleep last night. Like, I cannot wait to have the truck content coming on the channel. So I'm waiting on my buddy to pick me up, and we got a 3-hour road trip to go get it. And you guys are gonna get to see it. So let's roll out. Yo, you excited? What do you think about the hood, bro? I just put it on yesterday.
So it's a fake demon now, huh?
Fake demon.
It's a fake demon?
I was thinking about getting, some people are telling me get the badges.
As long as it looks nice though. I wouldn't think that it would make much of a difference.
Just a hood?
It makes a
Dude, yeah, it looks so much meaner.
It looks 20 times.
I bet coming down the road it looks crazy.
Especially if you look at it from like the front.
The front, yeah. It just looks mean. Yeah, you ready to slide? All right. Oh, we're in the FRS. Gonna drift this bitch.
This is your Hellcat times 10, bro.
We're gonna wide body it.
Yeah.
Turbo it.
Put a demon hood on this.
A demon hood. You excited to see it?
This is a truck?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be bad.
That shit looks
I don't think you've ever seen anything that big.
Is it platy?
Yeah.
Does it have like a special lift kit on it?
Yeah, it's crazy. Like all like, it's like a $10,000
like a custom
lift.
one?
Yeah. The lift was $11,000 and the wheels are like $13,000.
That's far.
But I paid nothing. I got it all for free. Left.
I keep forgetting, bro.
I've been over to my buddy's car. We're hopping in his car and then we're sliding. It's a 3-hour drive, and then we're gonna pick this bad boy up. I guess let's start this road trip. All right, guys, we're a minute away. About to see this bad boy. It's so late right now, it's 6:30. You know, we're pulling strings to make it happen, but we're literally pulling up as we speak. Oh, I see it. Oh, that thing is crazy. Dude, that is so bad. Oh my God, we're here. What do you think?
Yeah, that shit looks nice.
That is big,
pretty
bro.
high up. Those rims are nice too.
Thanks, bro.
They're the same color?
Yeah, same color, color matched. All right, boys. Thanks for the ride. Thanks for nothing, scum.
Get the f out of here.
You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. We'll go for the ride. That bitch is so big, dude. I say we go to the gas station real quick. Oh my God. Yo, this thing is bad. All right, boys, made it to the gas station, and this thing is literally ridiculous. Like, look at you way down there. I gotta hop out of here. Like, I could sprain my ankle getting out of this thing. Look at this. This is crazy, dude. It's literally like massive. Bro, that's crazy big. Oh my God. No fucking way, dude. Dude. This is no joke right here. Oh my God. From the front, it's like, holy shit. It's like, yeah. I wish it wasn't freaking pouring. I'm still gonna go out here, but like, just look at this. I'm literally getting poured on, but it's literally massive. How tall are you? So I thought you were short. He's 5'11", which is pretty tall, and look at the mirror. Yep. Like up to his head. Thank God I have these fog lights. If I didn't have these fog lights, I wouldn't be able to see nothing. My headlights wouldn't shine, but these fog lights are crazy bright. I'm 6'3", and look at the mirror. Like, this is ridiculous. Like, I can't work on this anymore. I'm gonna have to get like a ladder to get up. You gotta literally like almost jump. This is a lot bigger than I thought. This thing's freaking insane, dude. Unreal. This is a bad now. It went from like a stock, like kind of wax truck to like 6. So I got some fuel. Got this thing all fueled up, ready for the long trip home. I got like a 3.5 hour drive in this thing. Diego said we're good. He fine-tuned it, so yeah. We're ready to rock and roll. And this thing is literally insane. It makes me smile every time I look at it, and I haven't had a truck that made me do that in a long time. All right, Diego, I appreciate the work, and I'll catch you later. We'll be in touch. We got more builds to take care of, but I don't want to take your Saturday up any longer, so yes, sir. Peace, bro. All right, man. And we are out. We are sitting on freaking like clouds right now. We are up, like up here, dude. This is literally, I'm slinging water, but this thing's crazy, dude. Like, I feel like I'm on the top of the world, and we're in the woods. Wait till we're in the city and you can see like cars next to me and whatnot. But I got a 3-hour road trip home. I'll let you guys know how it goes. This thing literally drives really, really good. And I don't know, I don't really have much more to say other than like, let's get home and go see what everyone thinks, because everyone I know can't wait to see it. I guess let's cue the road trip home and head out. All right, guys, we made it back to the house. It's a little bit windy, so bear with me. And we made it home safe and sound, but we did have a little bit of a blowout, dude. But just look at this thing. Like, literally, this is so crazy. I can't even believe I own this. Like, I look at it and I'm thinking like, this is like unreal. But we had a little bit of a blowout. So these sway bar links, bushing popped out, and the whole sway bar links is shifted a little bit, and it's because these blocks aren't sitting flush. I don't know why they're not sitting upright. They're sitting a little bit crooked. I talked to Diego, and he said that we might need to put some type spacer here or some washer here. So I'm thinking I'm going to figure out, I'm gonna hit up RBP and ask them what's going on with this. I didn't get this lift from them. I actually bought it like second party, but I'm sure they'll hook me up and tell me what's going on with this. But first of all, I'm definitely gonna pop this bushing back in here, and then I'm gonna try to put this sway bar centered just for now. And also, I really need to clean up the suspension in the future. A lot of people powder coat their axles and all that, but I just wasn't trying to spend that money. So for now, I'm just gonna get a grinder and sand all this, other than like the actual brackets, but I'm not doing that right now. In the future. And I'm gonna spray paint this all up really, really nice, so it all looks like factory OEM, like nice black color. And then also, I gotta unload all the stock parts. This thing is so big though, it's literally insane. But I'm taking these stock wheels out and I'm selling them for $1,300. If you guys know anyone that want them, they have great tread. I'd say, I don't know, a lot of tread. 1,300 bucks. And also I'm selling my shocks and coilovers also. I'm selling those for $2 grand. For the Kings that I had up front, I'll attach a picture. You know, if you guys want those, but let me unload this stuff and then we can throw this bushing back in. Then me and my boys are going, and we're going to take some rollers of the cars. We're gonna, a couple buddies are bringing their trucks, people are bringing their cameras, and we're just gonna get a little photo shoot and whatnot. So that's the plan. All right, y'all, so we're under the big girl right now. And by the way, we need to name this thing. So if you guys got a name for this big girl, maybe we'll just call her Big Girl for now. But if you guys got any names, let me know. But we're about to take these out, unscrew this, and I guess get this bracket back in and then shift this over. That's the plan. I guess we'll find out how this goes. Boys, we are all good to go. Look at the sway bars all straight now. I got the mount back in, and I think we might be good now. I'm not sure, but I guess we're just gonna send it, like always. All right, guys, so we met up with some buddies. Got my boy out here taking some rollers, and we told the boys to come out. And I guess we're gonna get some shots, and it's their first time seeing my truck too. I literally everyone's flossed out. About to roll out, get some rollers, get some footage, and something like that, and see how it goes. So we're getting some shots, and my man is really out here, looking in the back of the truck, getting these shots for us. Man's going the extra mile. Yo, let's see it. So we just got the pictures done. These pictures are so fire. Yeah, these are sick. Go to that one that I had. You seen the girls that were videotaping, yo? I didn't see them. The Volkswagen. Really? Yeah. So we're back from taking the rollers. We got some fire shots to my man right here. Killed it. Knocked out of the park. And now we're getting a couple photos, and that's gonna be a wrap. But, you know, nothing too crazy. Figured we'd pull the trucks out and get some shots. And we ran into like 3 other trucks while we're taking pictures, and we've only been out here for like 20 minutes. That was kind of weird, but. All right, boys, so we just rolled out. We got finally home now, and let me know what you guys think of the truck. So it was an exciting video. I can't wait to do all types of truck stuff now. Honestly, from like deep down, I'm a truck guy. You guys all know me as a car guy, but my whole life has been trucks and Jeeps and off-roading and that stuff, and recently in my life I've been doing all this car stuff, but really I love trucks. So to be able to be back in the truck game is pretty bad, especially in this bad boy, because this thing's so sick. But look at this this mount popped out again, so I got to figure out what's going on with that, so stay tuned for that. But let me know what you guys want to see, what more mods you want to see. But this thing just freaking sits massive, dude. It's literally insane. And also, you know, we got the Hellcat in here, peeking with the Demon hood, whatnot. Let me know what you guys think of that. Let me know what you guys want to see, but that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did picking up this truck and whatnot. So that's a wrap. This thing's freaking huge, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Peace.